1, 2, 3, test. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, test. 1, 2. All right, we're good. We are good. Let's go. All right. A lot of things going into today. Lots and lots of things. I am seeing a little bit of weakness on Bitcoin. You got Russell coming down a bit, Bitcoin coming down, ANGO looking a little bearish here, but the other brokerage says we are up, which is kind of funny. MOBX also down. Domo. SPY absolutely getting slapped. I don't think I need all this noise. What's this? I don't need that either. Alright, what else do we need? What else are we looking at today? Alright, kind of need Bitcoin to start rejecting the VWAP here. Just continuously reject the VWAP, break below 95, 113, and start printing my shorts. Okay, that's all I really ask for. I'm not asking a lot here. We have a couple minutes before the market open, 20 minutes essentially. Today's Opex Friday. A lot of volatility going into today. OPTX at 385. Interesting. No news means more bearishness, which is not good. ABAT 489. Domo. VLN 210 here. LifePath 1339. Velo, TE Energy. Yeah, pretty much everything is just neutral in a lot of our plays here, which we're going to get to right now. HTTT, let's see what's happening here. Oh, still to the downside. Waiting for this harmonic to complete. Right at that box low. Hopefully we get a reaction there. It's also where the POC is as well. We are oversold here. Like, oversold. Completely oversold. And it's 310 on volume. Jesus Christ. So the 372 would be a place I'm looking at. Russell. Alright, so Bitcoin taking a nice little pullback here. I like that. I like that. All right, what other plays are we looking at here? What other place? I see members trading. And Gwenth, you get rejected. You get rejected, Gwenth. Stop it. All right, Domo's coming here. Domo's coming back to life. A little bit of life I'm seeing on the charts on Domo. What do I mean by that? First off, let's put Bitcoin on the 1 hour here. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, look at that, 1.2% on pre-market. So far, so good. Still very bearish here, so not really leaning anything positive. Just keeping an eye on Domo. It's an interesting knife catch here. I like what I see. This one's probably ready to do something special here. I really do like this. Share flows 34, very low. Beta's very high. I like that a lot as well. This thing can absolutely start doing something special. I might even consider a position when the time comes. This is not ready yet. Going into today, more than likely, we'll figure it out. We'll find out. But I am watching this little lad here. I am watching this guy here. Domo, I might actually put this in the Discord. Do I have this one up? Domo. Let me see here. And Domo. No, Domo's not in here. Domo's not in here. Well, we're going to place this one in here. Volume is good. Kicking in yesterday, so a lot of volume came in. Mostly to the bear side. Domo as well is going into the Sammy's playlist. Oh look, we're gonna do this quick phone call on Gwent. Let's do a quick phone call on Gwent, which I suspect is a scammer. I added Domo to the Sammy's playlist. This is heavily cooked. Monetary. Woo-wee. All right, let's take a look back at our favorite tickers. A lot of the space stocks. All right, so Bitcoin, ASIP, ASPI, excuse me, OPTX, SPY, Russell, VIX, and ANGO, ABAT, Domo, Rocket Lab, Velo, up 1.2%, TE Energy, up 1.6%, Unusual Machines, up 1%, ASTI, up 3%. Oh, that one's actually a good one. I'm not gonna lie. I actually like this one a lot. Might actually have to keep this one on my radar. ASTI. Actually, I have to keep this one on my radar. This one's just a potential fuck around and find out play. I'm gonna need Bitcoin to tank here heavily. Like bad. There we go. Thank you. Just come below the 95 and come to my target of 94.6. All right, 94.6. I wouldn't mind that at all. Bitcoin. I would not mind that at all. You'll be doing me a favor. Good morning. Good morning, housing. What up, Kent? What's going on? Another day, another dollar. Rocket Lab pulling back here on pre-market. These are like scam hours. Scam hours is just illiquid. I don't really trust the scam hour schedules. Not really a good sentiment in the entire market as we speak. BNI. What happened here now? Holy shit. What the flying fuck, bro? Bro, what is happening here? Yeah, this thing is done. Done in the sense it's gone. This is probably a Reddit community push. I would have to suspect that's the push. Let me see. Provision of conversation artificial. Oh, that's what it is. Provision of conversation artificial intelligence assistant with the purpose of transforming engagement and analytics business through security-focused multimodal communication, human-like artificial intelligence assist. The firm is also involved in delivering high-personalized multimodal artificial intelligence engagement with about industries where there is a massive workforce gap. BENI. Oh, check the website. Check the website. It says 404 not found. Check the website. I just got an error. I got a 404, buddy. That's not good. Either they're getting too many, they're getting too much traffic, or they don't have a website. But you have to have a website. That's just the legal aspect of it. You need to have a website. So the fact that you're getting a 404 gateway error, that is very interesting on BNAI. I'm thinking this is more of a Reddit push, but what do I know, right? Yeah, you are scalding at these highs. Even on the daily, you're at $7, so I suspect it's going to be around 89.4, where the RSI might be. I'm just speculating here, because that pushed the upside even above the 70 line, very significant, especially that push high. That push high is very crazy. Website is okay, so I'm getting the error on my end. Volatility index coming down now at 1553, down 1.96%. Remember today's Opex. A lot of contracts are being closed today. A lot of contracts being closed today, so expect volatility. It is what it is. Just be mindful of that information. Do what you will. Not my business, not my circus. A lot of plays to consider. We are watching a couple things here. HTTT. I like this. I like the sell-off. Waiting for confirmation here. Trade the mean reversion. Domo, another one. Oh, look at that. 1.28% on the pre-market. This thing can completely continue to collapse on the downside. VLN up 0.4%. 0.4%. This one actually at the 382. Let me double check. Yeah, failed it. Now at the 0.5 and the 200 on the daily. So it's got to hold that. Otherwise, it's going back down to 189, the golden pocket. It's going back down to the golden pocket. Fubo. This little guy that could. I'm keeping a close eye on this. It's cooking little by little. It's cooking. It's got to find, it's got to cook. It's got to cook. The positive DI is over, crossed over the negative. So that's very positive. That's very positive. I am seeing above the 5 and the 10 daily. That's good. That's good. You're above the week. No, you're below the VWAP. So a lot of things to consider here. Now, that trade, if people took that little... That's a 14% trade. God damn. Golly. But that doesn't mean it's over. Damn, that was a good trade. Doesn't mean it's over though. Price want to come back and reject. Let me see the left hand side of this. Yep, doesn't mean it's over. It just means it's cooking. 6 minutes till market opens. 6 minutes. I do like what I see on Bitcoin, making lower highs. Making lower highs. Let's go. Making making lower highs, please. Let's go. I know Ondas is gonna probably catch a nice little bid here. I think they have an investor day or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Bitcoin, what's going on? Yes, come to daddy. Come to daddy. We really need her back at 94.6 so I can close my short. I'm still green, but I'm being very greedy here. I'm being very, very greedy. Sammy's a greedy man, guys. I'm very greedy here. I should be taking profits, but I think we can get to 94.6. I should be taking profits, but I think we should. My short is really good right here, but I want more. I really want more. I want here. I want here. Okay, I want it. All right, that's all I'm asking for. I might even get crazier. I think we're gonna get there. I think we're gonna get there. We just gotta have faith. We just gotta have faith in the crypto gods. We gotta have faith. All right, guys. Yes. I need all the guys to wish upon a star here that the market's gonna go. The Bitcoin's gonna go down. I just need you guys to hold that up. All right, what other place to consider here as well? We are observing a couple other ones. Ondas obviously being the leader in pretty much the fucking sector. Favorite ticker in the entire market. It is the favorable ticker in the entire market. I'm getting a glitch here. It is. Here, is it up or down? What? Bitcoin down or up? Which one? RZLV also catching a nice little ride to the upside here. This is more of a FOMO. Speculative play. I mean, this is a bunch of shills in the YouTube space trying to pump their bags. ACCL, what's going on here? Holy shit, bro, what are we doing? What is this move, bro? I don't even want to take a look at it. I don't want to take a look. I can't benefit from that. Oh, bro, that shit is just up. Now it's just obviously coming back, but holy moly. What's going on? I'd rather see Mobix, which is worse. I am watching Mobix, guys. This is more of a binary event. MOBX, I am watching Mobix, binary event. I'm hoping they get some sort of military deal, some sort of contract with the Department of War. This is absolutely not a hold. This is absolutely just a binary event I'm hoping for. We really need to start making moves to the upside. So it's a glitch. I mean, it had a pullback, and the pullback is necessary after a massive move to the upside. 4 minutes to market opens. Do we have any requests before market opens? Before I go through my list of tickers I'm watching. SPWH, I am watching this little guy here. SPWH is another harmonic play here if you're into this sort of thing. All right, if you're into this sort of play, if you're into that. The Fed will inject 50 over the next 3 weeks, starting next Tuesday. Right. Why do I need an interview to join the Discord? Because I need to know whether you're a bot, a scammer, or you're here to do absolute. If you are one of the three, please eject yourself from this conversation. Like, people want to come in here and act like, yo, I'm offering the Discord's free, but bro, there's an interview process, bro. Like, what the do people think is going on in here? I'm giving you plays by plays by plays, and all I'm asking you is, yo, go through it. I'm vetting people in my Discord. What's wrong vetting people in my Discord? What kind of fucking question is that, you retard? Stupid ass questions, man. People are asking stupid questions. Like, why do I need an interview? Bro, why you want to join my Discord? The fuck does this look like? I could be a nice guy, but shit, man. Everything's free. What the fuck? If I'm offering you an opportunity to join a Discord where it's free, the least you need to go through is a vetting process. The minimum. That's the rules. I don't need no fucking shill. I don't need people not being part of the community. People taking trades, not talking. I don't need that shit. What the fuck I need to invite you for? Get the hell out of here. Bye. Go find somewhere else. I don't give a shit. I'm not charging. I'm not charging $100 a month. I don't charge $50 a month. I don't charge $20 a month. I don't do that shit. But people want to act up like asking me questions. Why do I need to go through an interview process? Why the fuck you want to join my Discord? Then get the fuck out. Stupid. Go pay fucking $100 off of those Discords. You might get value out of it. You might not. Take your chance. But I'm offering free services and you want to ask me a fucking question? Stupid fucking question. It's fucking free, you retard. Stupid. Fucking idiots, man. People are fucking... That's the shit that... I'm giving you free Discord. Free. The minimum you gotta do is literally go through a vetting process, an interview. Stupid. Anyway, I think the market's open. Yep, market's open, guys. I'm over here talking. Alright, let's take a look at what's happening here. Let's take a look what's happening here on Bitcoin. Let's see what's happening here on Bitcoin. There you go. See what's happening here on Bitcoin. Alright, Bitcoin's moving. Let's take a look at the overall market. SPY 693, IWM's 265, ANGO, our play, $11. ABAT looking erratic here. Might be one of those moves to the upside continuation now since they got the FOMO's in. Wow, ANGO popping here. ANGO is popping, 1107. People are waking up that this company is absolutely a fucking monster. All right, let's take a look at ABAT. I think this might be a play here. A lot of movement, a lot of moving pieces here on ABAT. I'm noticing nice little, very interesting here. Very interesting here. Wow. ANG 1107. Holy moly. ASPI. This is one of those reactor plays. I'm telling you, this might be the company that might do something stupid. American Battery absolutely getting clapped here. Bitcoin rejecting the 95,782. Not holding a short overnight, that's for sure. ASPI again wants to run up. Again wants to run up. ANGO, wow, another pop. This company does not stop, can't stop, won't stop. Let's go. Nice. Let's see ANGO real quick. Let's see what our little puppy's doing here. Oh, that's right. We caught the knife on this. Oh, ANGO looking saucy, bro. Looking really good here, ANGO. Love this trade. I absolutely love this company. Looking really good. It's got a nice short float, low beta. Really no volume, but it's just uptrending. Uptrending. I like it. Nice little slow turtle play to the upside. I don't mind it. I'm sleeping good at night. Let's see some other opportunity. ABAT selling off here. ABAT selling off. Bitcoin also had a rejection here. VIX 1540. Let's take a look at small caps. Rocket Lab up 5%. T1 Energy 6% to the upside. 6%. VLN $2.09 here. OPT UMAX 17. 8 ASTI 481, down 0.6%. VLN flat on the day, flat on the day, flat on the day. Looks like the market's pulling back here a little bit. Can't argue with that. Market's flushing here. At least first 30 minutes here. At least the first 30 minutes. At least first 30 minutos. At least the first 30 minutos. Wow, IWM, flush it. There you go. There you go, honey. All right, what else is going on in the market? OPTX, this is more of the, this is a speculative play. IWM selling off. Very good, very good, very good. Bitcoin not doing much here. T1 Energy moving up. All right, let's take a look at some of our harmonic plays here. Harmonic plays here. Very doji-y. Very doji-y. HTT. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting here. Wow, ABAT 476. 476. Holy shit. SPY. Let me just check HTT. It's not moving. Oh, it's got really no, it's got no volume. It's got no volume here. Market's having a little bit of a struggle. At least IWM is. ASPI rejection here. Rejection here. Rejection. Rejection. Yeah, nice little struggle here. Let me double check. Wow. Nice sell off this morning. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, why do I have SPY here? Oh, well. Oh, it's the same one. Wow, I kind of fucked up. I literally replicated the same charts. 8BAT sell off again. IWM taking a dump. Let's go. Is this the market crash? No. It's the Hopi crash. It's nothing crash. It's just another retracement day. Alright, let's switch it over to all cap stocks here. Open anyway. Alright, so let's go back to space stocks, military stocks. T1 Energy absolutely sold off. Velo up 1.3%. Rocket Lab up 5%. Wow, Rocket Lab absolutely making strides here. ASTI, wow, ASTI, what is happening here? ASTI, I mean, this speculative move. ERES is going up. I wouldn't doubt it. Wow, hold up. We are selling off here on IWM here. Wow. Very significant push to the downside. Very, very significant push. I like that. Wow, IWM. Let's take a look at IWM real quick. IWM. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Dark cloud cover, boys. Dark cloud cover. Technically, you want to seriously engulf the entire candle. But we'll consider this a dark cloud cover. I don't mind that at all. Let's go. Dark cloud cover. Very bearish. That means continuation possibility going into Monday as well. That's a candle you don't want to see at the impulse, that's for sure. That is 100% a candle you don't want to see at the impulse. I promise you that. VIX right now pulling a hammer on the 15. VIX on the 15. Bitcoin sold off here. Whoa. ABAT sold. Holy shit. Bitcoin. What's happening here? Oh, it's just volatile. Volatility. 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 Angio. Angio. Our little guy that could. I got buddy on to. One second. Hold on. I'm getting a Discord message here. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so going back to equities here, just keeping an eye on some plays. Do have a little bit of cash here. Bitcoin 95.3. Hold IWM just selling off here. Dark cloud cover on IWM. This is really good in terms of the downtrend. I mean, I kind of did say a little bit of bearishness, but you know, I wasn't expecting. All right, VIX with a hammer on the 15. Be careful here, guys. VIX on the 15. VIX on the 15. American Bat 466. OPTX 389. So OPTX is another speculative play. Honestly, this might be one of those fucking, you know, either you miss out or you don't miss out. OPTX. Wow. Bitcoin just, it wants to pile to the downside. I don't mind this at all. All right, well, there you have it. Rejection here at that top end trend. Looks like it wants to go further. Looks like it wants to go further. Let's go. Come on. Push it. Trump for the tech power supplier. Oh, is it? I like what ASTI is doing. I will say that. I really do like what ASTI is doing. Shit, I might as well just fucking take a look at ASTI real quick. What's happening here? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Yeah, so ASTI is pretty much range bound here. 4% on the day, too. Nice little volatile candle. I mean, it's inside an ascending wedge. This is speculative play. Could really bang out here. Can really bang out here. Nice little push here. All right, VIX printing a hammer on the 15. ABAT selling off like a crackhead. ABAT selling off like a crackhead here. ABAT selling off like a crackhead. Mobix, I really need you to do something. Really need you to. Angio having a nice little sub for 1078. Narrative still intact though. Company's doing very well. OPTX $3.09. Very interesting play here on OPTX. OPTX, let's go. Let's go. I see a lot of conversations going on. All right, let's take a look at some of our harmonic plays here. All right, OPTX absolutely trying to run it right now. So is ASTI. ASTI is just breaking above here. OSTS. Wow. ANGO. All right, market's about to take a dump, guys. Be careful. Market is looking very bearish today. Wow, push to the upside. A lot of volatility here. Lots of volatility going into today, folks. Undas up. I don't even know right now. ASTI up 8%. What's happened with ASTI? Whoa! Whoa, huge rejection on ASTI. Massive dump. Massive dump here, ASTI. Whoa. Shit. Wow. Whoa, OPTX. What's OPTX? A lot of volatility today. Yo, you can't make this up. All right, hold up, folks. Let me double check something here. Is OPTX ready here? Is OPTX ready here? Oh yeah. I think we got something here. Yep. Very risky here. But it's 3 stars to the south. Alright, you know what? Bitcoin dumping. Is it coming to my target? Let's go. I don't mind it. Let's go. I'm taking a look at OPTX, guys. I really want to get in on this. Boy, oh boy. I don't know. Something interesting is cooking here. Something interesting. I just don't like how it's... I don't like the volatility going into today, possibly next week. IWM printed a dark cloud cover, so that means potentially more bearishness going into next week as well. Very nice inverted hammer here on Bitcoin. If you mitigate 95,113, this thing is going to clap city. This thing is going to clap city. Absolutely stunning here on Bitcoin. 95,194. 95,194 here. Very nice to see. Very, very nice to see here. Wow, Velo 1885, 7% to the upside. Velo, ASTI. I really, oh man, we have ASTI, we have OPTX. I mean, what the fuck? We have everything under the sun. ASTI is more favorable because of the technology behind it, and anything can send that thing soaring, right? And then OPTX is unilaterally associated with Eagle Eye, Andrew. So much speculation here, right? So much speculation. It's just like, yo, when are they gonna announce the news? Look at this sell-off here happening, right? Potentially come back at that 355 range, 355. You know, people just keep buying the dips and the dips and the dips and the dips. ASPI, this is more of a nuclear play. Shit, you can't go wrong with nuclear. ASPI, let me double check ASPI. What's happening here? It's consolidating. OPTX. OPTX is interesting now. Massive sell-off here. Let me check the 4-hour. See if we can try and catch a play here. Let me see the RSI on the daily. Yeah, this is just way overbought. Inverted hammer on the daily as well. Leads me to conclude more sell-off incoming. Potentially back down to 344, then watching that 330 at the 0.618 ratio. This is more of a speculative play again, but because of the hype on the Andro, the connection of the Eagle Eye. Oh yeah, you did mention ESOE. What was it? ESOE. I forgot about it. ESOE? ESO? What was it again? ESOE? Wow, Velo 8%, 9%. Hello, ASTI. Shit, ASTI. I might actually have to look at ASTI now. 5%. A lot of volatility, guys. I mean, it is EOSE. Okay. EOSE. One second. Hold up. Fucking A, dude. 1 second. Alright, EOSE. Oh yeah, Boombastic, 18%. I mean, excuse me, 6%, 18 bucks up. Let's go. Yeah, she's gone. She's gone. She's absolutely gone. She said bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. ASPI. Wow, ASPI absolutely running. ASPI is more of a nuclear play here. Nuclear play here. ASPI continues to show strength here. And that means, ooh, she broke out. Ooh. That's a 3 inside up. 3 inside up. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Hold the phone. 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 ASPI, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? What are you doing? I mean, I can't continue to ignore this trend, right? You broke out. Seriously, you broke out. Wow. ASTI. Sick. What the fuck? You can't make this shit up. There's a lot of hype on this ticker. 2.7 million here. Energy running and said it last night. Yeah, you can say that again. Energy is absolutely running. Minus ABAT. ABAT's taking the shitter. VLN here. VLN is also in. VLN is also interesting here. At these highs. No, I'm not a favor of catching these waves to the upside here. So yeah, so this one's called a 3 inside 3 stars to the south formation here. These are technically not bad. We are finding a little bit of life here and above 212. Volume's at 256. Nice little bounce here. This is more of a there's somebody in the X space pumping her bags. X space pumping her bags. OPTX again. It's just not. Let me see what's happening here. Huh. Volume is very weak here on OPTX. 72,000. 72,000. Angio just sitting nicely. Not really doing much. ASTI. ABAT. What's happened to ABAT? ABAT is having a little bit of a Starbucks coffee right now. But if you notice, what's happening here is that she's inside a range, or she or he. Rejection. Support. Wow, look at that massive wick off. All right, but look, in theory, let's turn off all the noise so you can see it better. In theory, what does this look like? Right? Let's move it up because of the real body candles, right? So that's your technically your range. But I don't like that wick. I don't like that wick a lot. Now, obviously, this could mean anything. I mean, you know, the news happening with the refinery. Shorts put pressure. They wanted to catch the bottom. They caught the bottom. Now potentially they write it up. But, you know, we'll see. We'll beg to differ. All right, so OPTX continues to hold here. This is a bullish belt hold candle here on OPTX. ASPI, nuclear play, NVTS. What's happening with MVT? Oh, shit, MVTS. Yeah, she's doing the thing here. MVTS, absolutely. I have a nice clean harmonic at 20 bucks. Is it going to get there? I don't know. Maybe. But you are above your 5, 10, and 20 EMAs and above the 57 and the 200. This is technically a really good setup. This is really good setup. And you have a 3 inside up candle formation. Obviously, your clean area of resistance is where we are now, out 1083. So, but look at that, you're still inside this rangy bar or inside bar. So, your support 946, your top end 10983. So 1083, 946. Watch those levels. Be careful always. Be careful always. Happy Friday, Coach. What's going on? Another day, another trade. Bro, when are you going to join my Discord, bro? The Discord's actually lit, my brother. The Discord, I have like a good active 10 members, 15 members now. Actually 10-ish. 10. Some pop in and out, and I have a consistent of 6 or 7 members. Slowly growing the community, man. It's actually banging out. I'm actually impressed with the progress I've made. I'm actually impressed, man. Long term good for ABAT. Long term, yeah. You just gotta get that. You gotta get those deals. You gotta get the licensing back. Oh, by the way, this is a bullish bell toe candle off of the prevailing trend. This candle, by the way, on MVTS, and I'll hold it with this. That means a possible continuation to Monday. Now, we have to close near 1081 or above it. We have to close. This daily candle needs to close above 1081 or near it. Roughly, let's say 1070 will be that near breaking point, or a near where we need to close above for this bullish bell-toed candle on the daily to proceed, or at least statistical odds for Monday to be, Tuesday, because Monday we're off. Tuesday for us to have a continuation to the upside on 1083 on NVTS, So keep an eye out for NVTS, okay? ANGO pulling back here a bit. ANGO pulling back. Totally fine. Totally fine. ANGO having a nice little pullback here, exactly at that 1109 touch. Look at that beautiful touch here, 1109. Beautiful reaction. Beautiful reaction. People just taking profits at those highs. People taking profits at those highs. Can't argue with that. Let's go. 1110. Wow, was it 1110 to the touch too? Holy shit. To the touch. To the touch. To the touch. Holy shit. So we do have a bounce here at 1060. 1060 here. Alright, what else is happening? Pretty much markets. SPY coming down here at 692 now. If you check the SPY report, a lot going on in there. Let me double check SPY here. Ooh, a lot of bearishness going into this. A lot of bears. A lot of bears. Be careful. Bears. Hold on, where's my SPY? Alright, here we go. Alright, so we are making lower highs in the daily. We're still inside this bullish candle, or bullish engulfing inside bar. We quite did not get to 695.25. That's not good. Next area support 691.97. That's not good. Bitcoin trying to find the pulse here. Very bearish going into the day here, folks. Very bearish going into the day. Mobix doing absolutely nothing. Very nice. Come on, just get to 691.97. Just hurry the fuck up. Long term. Oh, ABAT. Yeah, just they gotta get their shit together. Like, you gotta execute. All I can say on that. 1060 on ANGO. Pullbacks are imminent. Quite frankly, they're not bad. Quite frankly, they are not bad, Reno. Wow, VIX 1583. 1583 here. Whoa. 15. Looking interesting here. Velo is up. Let's go. Yeah, Velo is up. Nice little push up. Having a little bit of retracement here at these highs, which is totally fine. Can't argue with that. Why is ONDS not on my watch list? Hello? Hello? Yeah, ONDS should be 100% on my watch list. There we go. Hello. Alright, VIX. Scary here. Scary. Scary spaghetti. Scary spaghetti. Scary spaghetti here. Let's see how long she holds. Russell, bullish belt hold. Candle on the 15. Not a bad candle to see. But also not a wick you want to see on the top end. Alright, on DS 1310 here. Alright, finally SPY hit 691 right at the POC. We should expect a little bit of a... Okay, that's a bearish engulfing. That's not good, folks. Wow, Bitcoin coming down, boys. Coming down. Alright, you mitigated 95.11. That's what I like to see here. Let's go. Just come to my box. Let's go. You mitigated it. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, hammer right now at the 95.1. Almost. 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 Oh man. Alright guys. Bearish engulfing right now on SPY. Absolutely not a candle you want to see. Not a candle you want to see. Looking good here. Breaking below the 691. Now we should start seeing a little bit of a wick here, but we're not. We're not. Nice pullback today. Nice little pullback going into today. Nice little pullback going into today. VIX 0.95 up close to 16 bucks. Close to 16 bucks. ONDS 1305. SPY completely collapsing here. Now, where is the mitigation point? We're at it right now, actually. There it is. We're on it right now. So Bitcoin, do not break. Whoa, broke below. Broke below. That was a massive sell-off. Here we go. Bitcoin, there we go, baby. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Bitcoin coming down to the completion point here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. From Sammy. From let me see some. Get the disable this shit. All right, what was my latest, newest Bitcoin? Where is it?
Copy message. Almost at my completion point, as stated yesterday. A bit more here. Sniper. They don't call me Sniper Sammy for nothing. Sniper Sammy. That's what I should name myself. Sniper Sammy. All right, here's the wick reaction we are getting at the POC. 691.97. Love to see it. Love to see it. That's what I like to see here. All right, we're almost there. Kind of need a little bit of a push here. OPTX coming down at 379. I do want to catch some W's here. Moving back into space. Military tickers. All right, Domo, I do like this little reaction here at the support. $6 was your absolute knife here. Absolute knife here. Absolute knife here. I do like that reaction on the daily. At least the candle that's printing right now. This is called a potential bullish breakaway pattern setup, but this is absolutely a horrid image to see here. I mean, you have 3 dark crows, 3 dark soldiers, whatever you want to call it, but this is a very interesting candle to see off of these knife plays. Off of this knife play. I mean, this is not a chart you should be playing if you don't know how to catch knives. I am monitoring this dog shit ticker, but one thing I do like to trade is the mean reversions off these. Are the mean reversions off these? And it hit my it actually got to the harmonic completion here. So I'm just gonna observe, analyze this ticker from time to time, see what kind of candles we start printing on the daily and then eventually small time frames. But I like what I see here, finding a base at the $6 range, also aligning with the key area support bounce at the volume average low at $6. So this is just a normal reaction here, but it's all about where does it settle, which is the most important part. So if it doesn't settle, then we shall observe and monitor the markets. All in all, we are monitoring the situation. LightPath 1333 here. VLN, another one. All right, Domo, 2% here. I like that. I like that. ANGO pushing back, pushing up a little bit. ASPI, this one's really calling my name here. ASPI, really calling my name here. Fubo, another play here. Potential play here. This one's to monitor. So far, since the bottom, it's been 14%. 14%. Volume is interesting, good. Volume is obviously interesting as well. ASPI keeps calling my name, and I don't know why I'm ignoring this ticker, but I should really start looking into this. Again, 3 inside up bar. You're above the resistance line. Spinning a little top here at this impulse, above the RSI mean. Your next rejection is exactly 793. You know what I'm saying? ANGO 1082. I mean, it wants up. It really wants up. ANGO, you can't argue with this shit. You can't argue with this shit. It just sold off and now it wants up. I mean, obviously equities, or at least SPY and everybody else, is having a nice little upside here. Anything can happen, obviously. What the fuck? Almost. Come on. Almost. Alright, ASTI. Where the hell is it? Hold up. Yeah, Velo is up. Let's go, guys. If you guys can please hit the like button, I would highly appreciate that. I don't ask much, folks. I really don't. I really don't ask much. Oh man, I'm so sick. Oh man, I'm so sick. Alright, OPTX pulling back here. Again, I really want this ticker coming back at the 382, 345 here. I want this ticker on the daily showing signs of a breakdown back down to 380 and change. VLN, Lightpath, Domo, 1.4% here. And Joe, come on, baby. Push it, push it, push it, push it. Bitcoin, almost, come on. That's not a bullish bell toe candle, though. So, anything can happen here. Anything can happen. Almost, come on. Russell. OPTX, I am monitoring very closely here. I like that inverted hammer. We're about to touch and break below the 10 daily, 376. 375. Let's go. Just collapse. Come on. One more. One more. Push it. Push it. 375. Just break it. Come on. Hurry up. 375. Come on. Just give it to me. We're below VWAP. Oh no, it's 373. There you go. You gotta break that. Come on. Come on. Off $2. Wow. 2 cents actually. Come on. There we go. Bingo. One more. One more. One more. One more. Come on. Let me help you. Let me help you. Come on. Come on. Let me amplify it. Come on. Come here, boy. Let me get the dog emoji. I think the dog emoji will reference. There it is. There, the magnet worked. The magnet worked. All right, guys, never mind. The magnet worked. The magnet worked, boys. It worked. That's all that matters. The magnet is working. That's what we want. All right, now come to the cage. Come on. Come on. 345. 345. Come on. I want you here. Come on. No. No, no, no. No, no, no. We're going to leave that there for now so he can learn his lesson. We're going to learn his lesson, all right? It's going to learn its lesson. OPTX, I don't like you being a bad boy today. All right, it's going back to space, military stocks. I mean, let's take a look at all the military. I mean, the military sector is absolutely green. I mean, we got Copen, right? We got, let's go take a look at the watch list. Copen up 20%. Wow, this was one of the crispy plays. Why am I not in this? He did talk about this fucking thing. He did talk about this thing. Wow, I forgot about Copen. I forgot about Copen. He literally talked about this. He talked about this. Fucking A, and I missed the fucking train. Oh no, I missed the train. Oh no. Why did I do this to myself? Why did I not pay attention on Copen? Fuck, Copen's gone. ASTS is gone. 17% ASTS. Absolutely running. Absolutely running. Velo. 8%. Excuse me, 8%. RDW. 8% to the day. I mean, all the fucking security. Everything's up. Kato's up 3%. Skywater up 4%. 4%. Absolutely. CMTL. This is a critical mining play. Actually. Critical. Wait, that's not critical mining. Wait, where have I seen this ticker before? Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, what? I'm sorry. This is not a ticker to ignore. I mean, wow, everything regarding space is up. Plab is up. Shitty, but up. Holy sh... a lot of people are talking here. Alright, this is general chat. ANGO 1081 looking good. Ondas pulling back a bit here. Now Ondas, if you guys are curious about Ondas, it's sustaining this high here off of this descending wedge here. Break below the 236. I mean, I'm eyeing off of this harmonic, bearish harmonic bat. I'm eyeing 382. Is it going to get there? Can't tell you. It is finding a support at the 236. Multiple candles here finding support at 236. But there is a defined rejection zone here off that trend line. So, very interesting to see what's happening with ONDS. Now, let's get back a little bit more to some of these tickers. ASPI, nuclear reactor play, $7 and effing cents. I really do want to get into the energy. ABAT finding a little bit of life here. Oh, wait, that's not ABAT. Whoops, sorry. Let's go back to ABAT, T1 Energy. I think I have T1 Energy already. Yep, we do. All right, so let's switch this up. All right, so this is the military energy sector tabs. This is the big markets, SPY, IWM, ES, futures, and some tickers here. So let's move it over here to, oh, Domo's in here as well. I am watching Domo. Fubo, we got to put Fubo up here. All right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do Fubo. All right, so these are just pretty much like the nonchalant tickers. This third tab here. This third tab is going to be nonchalant tickers. Copen, I got to keep an eye on Copen. ASTI is running. ASPI, ANGO. Ondas, OPTX. God damn it, so many tickers. All right, so we can get rid of Domo. Let's put in Copen. This is going to be our military space tab. VLN, Lightpath, Copen, Rocket Lab, Velo. AE, we need AEVA, Unusual Machines, AEVA, ASTI. Do I have ASTI here already? ASPI, not ASTI. ANGO will keep. Ondas for sure. OPTX for sure, because that's connected with Eagle Eye. Again, entry on OPTX is going to be very, very complicated because this is a fearful play. It's very complicated to time a speculative event. Very hard to time speculative event because there is no news. You're risking continuation to the downside, but if there is news, you're absolutely going to find so much upside, but the risk is much more weighing. The risk to the downside outweighs the upside in this case, so much more, and it's hard to quantify that type of level. I slipped on ice and cut my hand open. Jesus Christ, bro. Damn, bro. Fuck. Man, it's swollen. Wow. One of our members slipped and cut his hand open. Jesus Christ. I hope he gets better. Hope he gets better. God damn, that sucks, man. I have Bitcoin pulling back here. Oh, ANGO moving. ANGO moving again. Oh, shit. She tried. She really tried. All right, OPTX coming down, 373. Look what happens when you're patient. A little bit of a bearishness going here. ONDS also pulling back. Everything's pulling back here. I like that. Let's go, Rocket Lab. Push it down. Push it. go. Let's go. OPTX, let's go. This thing is so... Bitcoin, it's about to have its final run. Bitcoin's about to have its final run. The last push before death. Shit, I might just keep a short open. I'm not gonna lie. I might just keep a short open on the week. I would be absolutely crazy to do that. Hold a short open on the weekend? Yeah, right. ASPI continues to do something impressive. And honestly, ignoring this would be retarded. I mean, look at that. 3 outside up. 3 outside up. On the 12 gap. ANGI hold. Oh, wow. Nice little move here. I mean, am I going to really pocket? Go in the winning trade, right? Wow, Bitcoin now selling off. Bingo! Bingo! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go at my harmonic completion. Let's go. Game, set, and match, bitch. Game, set, and match. Game, set, and match. Game, set, and match, bitch. Let's go, man. Bro. What the fuck? Wait, what? When the f... Oh shit. Whoops. Hold up. Let's go, Flex. Flex. You fucking right, bitch. Bingo. Booyah, bitch. Come on, bro. You can't mess with me, man. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Get to the 382. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Get to the 382. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. Bro, this is absolutely amazing. This is absolutely amazing. You can't make this shit up. You can't make this shit up. You can't make this up. Come on, bros. Alright. I'm gonna stop flexing a little bit. I'm sorry. I'm just proud of myself. That's all. Just a little proud of myself. You can't make this shit up. Can't make it up. Oh, I gotta flex. Now I gotta talk shit because there's haters out there on the Bitcoin community.
Well, you don't know what you're talking about. Bitcoin's not going to 94. It's not going to 94. All right. Yeah, Bitcoin's only going to go up because it's an asset where you can store value and have P2P conversations. with each other and go fuck yourself. Yeah, sure. Sure, I'll go fuck myself. Sure. I'll just wait for the. I'll just wait to short the shit out of it again and again and again. That's right. That's right. I'm on the other side of the trade, bro. Oh, Bitcoin's gonna go to 400,000. Yeah. It's gonna go to 400,000 this year. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, alright. It's gonna go to 400,000. Man.
You stupid ass. You guys heard that? You guys heard the crypto community? Come on, guys. Give me the... Hit the like button, bros. Hit the like button, man. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a... Looks like X is getting doxxed right now. Looks like X is getting doxxed right now. One second. Huh. Huh. Interesting. Sorry, guys. 1 second. One second, guys. Alright, moving back into some tickers here. Market's looking a little bearish. One second, folks. All right, never mind. Angel looking good here. Sorry guys, just monitoring something. Sorry guys. All right, we are getting a reaction here on Bitcoin. No. Alright, Bitcoin. Absolutely horrid here. Absolutely horrid. Let's go. Absolutely horrid here. Don't mind it if I do, I'll tell you that much. What's BTC at? Yeah, had a nice little rally today. Had a beautiful rally today. Shit, I mean, I would hold it here. Would I be crazy to double dip here? I think I would be crazy. That is a confirmation candle too on top of that. That is a very much confirmation candle to the downside. Huh. I really like that candle here. Sorry guys, I'm just in my head right now. And I'm in my head for good. Huh. Bitcoin is doing something very interesting. We're almost there. We just need to touch that 382. We're almost there, touching that 382. We need a little bit more. But anyway, we're going to consider this trade a success regardless of the fact. Bitcoin. Let's go. One second, folks. 1 second, folks. What do you mean something went wrong? Let's go. What the hell's happening with my upload? Looks like X is having some issues here, folks. X is having issues. Oh shit, Bitcoin selling. Oh baby. Oh baby, selling. Oh baby. Oh baby. Why is it not working? Hold up, something's up here. Is it my laptop? Oh shit, I think X is broken. I think X is broken, guys. Holy shit! This would be a bounce here. This should be a bounce here. Let's go. One second, guys. I'm just trying to fix up a post. Can it work? Hello? Too fucking easy. Too fucking easy. That's wild. Oh boy. Alright, now I realize it's the fucking X. No, no te puedo olvidar. Let's go. Bro, you can't make this shit up. I swear to God, I think there's an issue going on. So this was posted 2 days ago. Posted 2 days ago. Eat my shorts. Fucking receipts. Fucking losers. Fucking shit talkers. Anyway. Anyway. Jesus Christ. Boom, bitch. Popolo is old news, but this theory is more like stepping along the path. Alright. Alright, we are going to get a reaction here on Bitcoino. Alright, so I'm going to open up another short position here on Bitcoin. For those of you still tuning in. Maybe just one of you guys. So I will be opening up another short here. Bitcoin's doing something very interesting here that I haven't seen in quite some time. Now that we broke down below a key area of resistance, support, I wanted to come back and back test that area of support. Hopefully it does not become resistance, and then at 95,113 we'll confirm here Probably multiple touches to the upside. Maybe come back at the 95.8. Holding a short on the weekend is absolutely a wild, wild thing to do. I wouldn't recommend it, but I am a psychopath. So let's observe what's going to happen here. And we take it from there. We take it from there. Fucking losers. Fucking fag. My boy. Let's fucking go, man. Anyway, back to business. Back to business. All right, let's take a look at some of the equities here. Wow, pretty much everything's selling off. VIX is at 16 now. Holy shit. You can't make Ondas coming down 1257. What is happening to the world? The world is pulling back here. The world is technically pulling back here. But we will not deter. Wow, Ondas continuously pulling back here. Holy shit, OPTX. OPTX. Wow. VIX, 1.6%. Wow, the entire market's flushing. Interesting. Let's go. I trust in my trade, bitch. Don't tell me how to run my business. Whoa, Bitcoin Arena. Bitcoin Arena. BTCZ. I mean, how much more do you want? It's up quite a percentage here. Holy shit. Pukey. Pukey. Yeah, everything's pulling back. ANGO is holding up nicely here. I'm actually impressed. Not gonna lie. ANGO is holding up really nice here. Just goes to show the power of having a good company on your side while the market completely takes a trash. VLN pullback, ASTI pullback 472. Market taking a shitter. Market absolutely taking a shit. VIX 16.1. What is going on with X? X is experiencing oh boy, 1630. Oh shit. There you go. ASPI 749. Looking at Copen here at 339. Ooh, can't go wrong with Copen. I don't mind a pullback here. Wow, fucking gap. At 325, really? That's where we at? Fucking losers. Anyway. Alright. I shouldn't be streaming on a day like this. What do I know? Could be the catch for the privacy seekers. I like how he does that. Alright guys, I'm sorry. I just can't help myself right now. Seriously, I can't help myself. Alright, yeah, X is having issues here. I don't know if anybody else is having issues. I'm having issues logging in here. Alright, I can't even log in, bro. Like, what's happening right now? I can't even log in. Whatever, man. Oh, boy. OPTX. Did it hit our target? No, it didn't hit our target. It did not hit our target. Kind of need Bitcoin to kind of pull up a bit. Let me see the 1 hour. OPTX mitigated 373. So we're just going to keep an eye on that. Velo continues to keep running. VLN falling off here. Minus 3%. ASTI 466. Wow, ASTI. Wow. Bitcoin continuously selling off here. Makes me want to... Wow. Bitcoin. Absolutely horrid right now. See here. Oh yeah, she's rocketing today. Oh, she is rocketing. Let's go. This might be a good thing though. Yeah, she needs to find the mean. She definitely needs to find the mean. Oversold territory up here. Very oversold. 100% oversold. This actually is very interesting on Bitcoin. 94.2, 94.6. Huh. There you go. Shit, I might just... actually might consider a hold up here. Wow, look at that bullish belt hold on ANGO. Can't make this shit up. ANGO is a strong company. Bro, what is happening with X? Ah, Domo. The Domo has spoken. Domo is speaking. Oh my god. All right, let me see the kind of all right, a little bit of a little reaction here on the 5 EMA here. That is not good, actually. Don't like that candle. Where the hell's the... Guys, I'm still sick, so I'm like in between dying and like trying to focus here, guys, so bear with me. I'm so sick, man. Holy moly. Domo, already up here. Potentially a play here. Holy moly. Talk about selling. Should have held my short. Nah. I'm going to get too greedy. I'm going to get way too greedy. That's oversold territory. That's way oversold. That's a risk to the... I'm losing if I take another short. It is what it is. You move on. Next trade. UMAC. ASTI, wow. Oh man, I am batshit crazy. I am batshit crazy. Oh my god. I am wild here. I am wild. I am wild. Tell me I'm crazy, guys. Tell me I'm fucking nuts. HCT. Let me take a look at HCT. This thing is not moving. Fuck this. Domo is wild right now. mean, if you like pain. Fubo. Wow. Today it sold off right at support. Literally right at support. Beautiful. Nice to see here. Bitcoin moving up a little bit here. OPTX pulling down. I think I'm going to dabble here on OPTX. X is not working for me, folks. X is not working for me. Yeah, X is down. X is down, folks. Alright, Bitcoin moving on up here. Like I said, it is risky to short the already prevailing trend here. I will open up another short, back testing the resistance. There, back testing the resistance here. Yeah, this is calling my name. Yeah, that's a good candle to see here. Huh. What's my upside downside here? Huh. Domo. Very interesting here. And I'm talking very, very interesting here. Like, you can't make this shit up. OPTX coming down here. Unusual machines. Let's go. Let's fucking go. X still having issues here. What the fuck is happening? All right, just watching markets now. I'm just observing potential reversal here on Domo. Fubo is another one I'm keeping an eye on. T1 Energy now moving up after a nice sell-off. T1 is running now. Let me check TE. Yeah, TE is now running on the 12. Let me check the daily here. Yeah, this thing is ready to blow another lid to the upside. NGO, OPTX, 360 here. Moving into light path, moving up, sell off happened, and now it just wants up. Sell off happened, Rocket Lab 98, nice little slow start to the day. ASTI coming back down a little bit. It's not really pulling back the way we want it to. Still a lot of consolidation here. Lots and lots of consolidation here. Failing to break above 521. All things considered. ASTI. God, this is really one of those speculative plays, huh? But if it bangs out, right? NGO. X, what is happening right now? No love here on X. No love here on X. Absolutely not getting no love. What is happening right now? Ondas pulling back, 1238 at support. ASPI continuously trying to run up here. I mean, any pullback you get on this thing, it just gets back up, so. Unusual Machines, ASTI 42. NGO. We don't need no more pullbacks. Come on. We need more upside. Domo. What are you doing, Domo? God, Bitcoin's doing something weird. Bitcoin's doing something weird, eerily weird. Let's take a look at ANGO, our nice little favorite ticker here. Just profit taken at the 382. Normal. Nothing to worry about. Almost got to the center line on the RSI. People are going to eventually step in. There it is. OPTX again. What is happening? It really wants to die, but it doesn't want to die. That's the funny thing about it. USAR pop. USAR. I mean, we got a whole shebang bang here on USAR. Let's take a look at the mining. So 267 here. WAI. 1% on the day. 1.38%. BIF. PSTV. What the hell is this? Ondas massive sell. Market sold off massive. Yes. I agree with you. Yes, Ondas coming back to our target here. Oh boy, I'm gonna be cash heavy on Ondas at 11. Oh man, I'm gonna be so heavy on Ondas. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Come on, baby. Just get to 1151. Off of my play. Let's go. Thank you. Just come back here. I think I might have to do the thing here. Oh yeah, we're doing it. Oh yeah. We're doing it, folks. We are doing it. There it is. Alright, Ondas is officially coming to our target. Actually, let me not say officially. It is a 50-50 chance it's going to get to my target. Not financial advice. I pull up the magnet. If I quantify it, it's going to probably work too hard. So I gotta get the right amount of energy output to get the magnet working efficiently on Ondas, guys. So we kind of need this to get back to where we want it at the 382, okay, folks? Just a little pullback, just a little bit. All right, so Ondas looking good here, looking good. I like that. I love what I see. I might even pull some things on Domo as well. Domo is absolutely Domo found the bottom here off of this knife catch. I do want to catch, but I'm observing, just observing the stages here, getting to know this ticker, see what it does. See what it does. Technically, you want to wait till Monday to confirm. I mean Tuesday to confirm, because Monday's closed. Monday is very much closed here. ASPI continues to run up here. I'm telling you, there's something going on here that I'm feeling. Not even feeling what I'm seeing here on this ticker. Like something's cooking. Something is cooking. Something's cooking, man. It wants to run. The question is why, folks? OPTX again. Valid, VLN, $2. It's trying to survive here. White fiber. Hello. Hello. Very nice. White fiber. Ooh. Let's go. There's only one problem. I kind of don't like this. I don't like this formation here. I'm not a fan of it. But we'll monitor it because this ticker, this structure right now where it stands is concerning. But we'll see. We'll move into Tuesday. And I don't want to talk about it. But the good thing is you're above the daily 50. So we got to hold that 50. Hold that candle above it. So closing above the 50 will increase the odds of a continuation going into Tuesday. It will increase the odds. Okay, very, very good. Hold that line. Hold it right up there the whole day. 1951 is where you want to look at. 1951 is where you want to look at. X is still not working for me. Oh, wait a minute. I think we're good. I think we are good. I think we're not good. We're not good, folks. That's right. We need to hold it down, baby. Hold it down, baby. All right, Velo, 19.6, 11% to the upside. T1 Energy, 5.8% to the upside. Continuously running. BLN, 2%. $2. ANGO, $10 to 70 cents. Nice and slow. OPTX, 362, down 9%. Bitcoin now moving on up here. Moving on up. ASTI, 342, holding the line here. Shit, I might even dabble here. Got FLNC, here we go. I said it last night. FLNC. FLNC, up and away, 8%. Looks like a cup and handle forming here. Looks like a cup and handle. FOMC is going to hit 30 soon. Sorry, I was in the Discord. Shout out. Shout out. Stop watching Bitcoin on the 1 minute. It's not going to work for you. Seriously, it's not going to work for you. Coping. All right, 342 Coping here. I might actually have to dabble on Coping. Unusual Machines absolutely running. What the fuck? Wait, huh? Are you fucking serious? Bro, what is happening right now? Guys, I'm lagging so hard.